Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and I love doing DIY refashion clothes. Today's video, I will share with you how I make these pants for my summer. The material I choose is loose linen in terracotta color. The first step is creating the main body for the pants. I'm drawing two rectangles with 31 cm, which is 1.5 times a quarter of your hip size minus 3 cm, and 80 cm, which is the length from the pants that you want. At the bottom of the left side, I go up 5 cm and mark there. Then I also go to the right 28 cm, which is the width from the belly button to over the crotch, and make the second mark. Then connect two marks together. Based on the line I just drew, I'm drawing a curved line to create the crotch area for the pants. At the top of the right, I go down 18 centimeters, which is the width of the length I want to have, and make a mark there. Then I connect that mark to the second mark I made before that. At the top of the left, I go down 3 centimeters and mark there. I also mark at 16 centimeters from the top to the right. Then connect two marks together. It will be the pocket area for the pants. After cutting by the drawing lines, I will have the front body of the pants. To make the back body, I'm drawing two rectangles with 34 cm width, which is 1.5 times a quarter of your hip size, and 80 cm length, which is the length of the pants that you want. Because the back of the pants needs to cover the butt, so I make the curve at the cross line bigger than the front by going up 8 centimeters instead of 5 centimeters like the front. At the leg, I go down 21 centimeters, which is 3 centimeters bigger than the front, because the rectangle we make for the back are bigger than the front 3 centimeters. After cutting, we will have the back body of the pants. Now I'm making the waistband for the pants. I'm cutting a long rectangle with 10 cm width and 98 cm length, which is the total width of the front and the back pants. The next step is creating the pockets. I'm cutting two rectangles with 20 cm width and 30 cm length. At the bottom of the left, I go up 3 cm and mark there. Then I connect that mark to the right at 16 cm. It will be the connected area with the pockets of the front pants. After that, I create the dip for the pockets by drawing a curved line, and we will have the front pockets after cutting. To make the back pockets, I apply the same at the front, but don't create the connected area. And they are on the pieces we need to make these pants. I'm overlocking one of them to protect the fabric. Moving to the next step, I'm connecting two pieces of the front and two pieces of the back pants together at the cross line. At the front pants, I connect the front pocket to the pocket area and sewing. To create the div for the pockets, I sew up to 7 cm from the end. Make sure this seam is close to the seam you made before to make the pockets look nicer. At the top of the pants, I fix the pockets to the front pants by the pins, then sewing. to the waistband of the pants. I connect two ends of the rectangle together. You better check the final width at the top of the pants first to make sure it's the same with the width of the waistband after sewing. Then I fold the waistband in half and use the iron to keep my folding. Now I'm connecting the waistband to the pants. Remember to keep a small unsewed space when sewing to put the elastic pants inside later. I use two safety pins to put the elastic band through the waistband and sewing two ends of the elastic band after that, and also closing the unsewed space. The last step is finishing the end of the lace. I fold the end of the fabric inside to hide the cutting, then sewing. And we finished this DIY. Here's my final result. I really love this pen. It's very comfortable and suits my style so well. I hope you love it too and join me in the Me Max Summer Challenge. See you next week!